planned on doing anything during July or August and take off and come back in September. Number one, I need rest. Number two is it's just too damn hot. It's outside, you know. And so after wrangling with this band back and forth, we went back and forth over dates, me and Will over here, and we ended up with tonight. So, and you know, when I saw this band, I was determined they were going to play here. I don't care if they were just playing to me alone. They're really cool. Hope you enjoy them. They're you know, it's hard to put a label on them. I think they initially were headed in a bluegrass direction, and now they just found other experimentations that they like to try out. So they sound a little bit like whatever they want to sound like. Let me name just a couple of things I have to get out of the way. Is my sponsors over there at Middleton Brewery. There's some beer on the right-hand side tap. It probably comes out real foamy, but it's good. Middleton Garnet beer, amber beer. Over next to that is Tejas Tonic. I've already given these guys a pep talk on it. But it's a remarkable legal product that is it makes you feel good. That's all I can say. You should try it. And third of all is Purple Bee TV. In fact, two of the principals of Purple Bee TV are sitting here. And y'all three are sitting there. Two of them are connected. Some kind of way. Yeah. Anyway, Tobias Boys and Lobos. Anyway, they've got a venue called the Purple Bee, I guess TV studio or studios over the north side of Lake Travis. They stream all kinds of incredible music at a very high rate of resolution and clarity like you've never seen before. They're the top of what they do. So I suggest you check out Purple Bee TV online, just about anywhere you'll find it. Tonight, my buddy Leonard Peterson's back here. He's cooked some fine victuals for you guys, so I hope somebody's hungry enough to eat with him. Last of all, bathrooms. Ladies, if you hadn't already discovered, the second brown window, once you go inside, you make a right, and the right is ladies relief facility. And men's facility is just the other side of this gate that you came in on over there. So anyway, feel free. Other than that, if we can get the band together, they can get up here and start playing, all right? My sons. Anyway, yes, you're right. I did not mention the name of this fine musical outfit, even though their name rings loudly on their bass drum. Texas String Assembly. I saw them at Meridian one night. I think Dustin and Evan were with me, and we just were blown away. We dug the shit out of them. So, there you go, the Texas String Assembly.
Page.
All right, folks, we're really excited to be here.
Because when we were talking to Elbaz, we could tell this is a place where the true music appreciators come, and so thank you for being here with us.
Check.
Key of G, I think, is a good key to begin. There it is.
One, two, one, two, two.
Well, traveling down that long, lonesome highway, so lonesome I could cry, with memories of how we once loved each other, and now you are saying goodbye. On and on I follow my darling, and I wonder where she could be. On and on I follow my darling, and I wonder if she ever thinks of me. Let's hear the 5 string. Well, I cried for you, little darling. It breaks my heart to hear your name. My friends, they all so loved you, my darling. They think that I am to blame. On and on I follow my darling, and I wonder where she could be. On and on I follow my darling, and I wonder if she ever thinks of us. Well, I have to follow you, little darling. Can't sleep when the sun goes down. By your side, it's my destination in Rose Clear. That's where I'm bound. On and on I follow my darling, and I wonder where she could be. On and on I follow my darling, and I wonder if she ever thinks of me. Well, on and on I follow my darling, and I wonder where she could be. On and on I follow my darling, and I wonder if she ever thinks of me.
Oh, a crusty patch of grays, a slice of lemon haze. My mouth watered for one more kiss. A taste of Everclear, yeah, I whispered in your ear. My breath, it must have tasted just like piss. And I've been picking corn all day, so damn hard. Pick it, wait, back it out, pour it out, put it in a jar. No methamphetamine, cocaine, or dope. Oh, sweet corn liquor, you're my only hope. Oh, I blacked out at the Purple Bar in this Troy to say. I was playing a banjo. My first thought was, oh no, I couldn't think of anything to play. And I've been picking corn all day, so dang hard. Pick, back it out, pour it out, put it in a jar. No methamphetamine, cocaine, or dope. Sweet corn liquor, you're my only hope. Rising high, I feel like I could die. Looks like it's a shucking life for me. Whatever you want to say, I don't really know what I'm even talking about. But this is a song about sweet corn liquor, and I gotta drink it somehow. And I've been picking corn all day. And it's so dang hard. Be quick, back it out, pour it out, pour it out. No methamphetamine, cocaine, or dope. Oh, sweet corn liquor, you're my only hope.
Do 1, 2, 3.
When I left my home, you know, down in those hills of Tennessee. Well, I met the sweetest girl ever in this world, that little girl of mine in Tennessee. Oh, that little girl of mine in Tennessee. I know she's waiting there for me. One day I'll settle down in that little country town with that little girl of mine in Tennessee. Let's hear that 5-string. Well, she begged me not to go, you'll be sorry, don't you know, for the way that you've been treating me. But I rambled all around and never could be found to take the place of her in Tennessee. Oh, that little girl of mine in Tennessee, I know she's waiting there for me. One day I'll settle down in that little country town with that little girl of mine in Tennessee. What you got, Drew? Well, someday I'll wander back to that little cabin shack. Little girl, be waiting there for me. I can see your smiling face right beside that gate. Oh, that little girl of mine in Tennessee. Oh, that little girl of mine in Tennessee. I know she's waiting there for me. One day I'll settle down in that little country town with that little girl of mine in Tennessee. She's waiting there for me. One day I'll settle down in that little country town with that little girl of mine in Tennessee. All right.
Thank you.
Baby, call me with that, that's my stare. And I know you want me, but I can't keep waiting forever. I can't keep wasting my time. He's in the kitchen singing, I don't care. I know you're thinking it just ain't the way it's supposed to be. Girl, but you come around. Take my time, take my time to breathe. Think about the shit that you with me. Break down the rules and break your back. Just be the truth, 'cause it ain't that bad. And I'm heaven. Girl, you take my hand. Now take my time to breathe. And I think about the shit that you with me. Take my time to breathe. Now think about the shit that you with me. Thanks, Ron.
We went for a swim before we got here, over at the low water crossing. It was nice. We parked the van for just a moment, not long enough to get in trouble.
Almost though. They were coming for us. I can tell you that. We were faster.
We couldn't resist.
Load that thing.
Big town boys, go back home, back to the girls you love. Treat her right, never wrong. The mountain girls can love. I was riding tonight on the high cold wind in the trail of your lonesome pine, thinking of you, feeling so blue, wondering why I left you behind. Get down, boys, go back home, back to the girls you love. Treat her right, never wrong. Now,
doing 3-1?
Next dance contest, I have a can of Brer's Bagel and Brer's Serrano Pepper.
Wow.
For the winner of what?
Winner of the dance competition.
Oh.
And are we are the judges? We shall deliberate.
Okay.
Winner of the peppers.
It was me.
Oh, no, I don't think so, Drew. So we'll play some more dancing numbers then, I think.
Here. If you can dance.
Can I get a little more guitar in my monitor? Yeah, maybe all the monitors.
I can hear the guitar pretty well. I can hear pretty good.
Then just me.
Gus, take one. I was born in the Southland 27 years ago. Ran away for first time, only 4 years old, reborn man. My home is on my back. I know every inch of the highway, every foot of the back road, mile of railroad track. Got a guy in Cincinnati, got a woman in San Antonio. Always love that girl next door, any place is home. Reborn man. My home is on my back. I know every inch of the highway, every foot of the back road, mile of railroad track. What you got, Connor? Well, you may not like my appearance, may not like my song, may not like me when I'm here, but you miss me when I'm gone. Reborn man. My home is on my back. I know every inch of the highway, every foot of the back road, mile of railroad track. Let's go, Mike. I got a Martin guitar, I keep an old toe tack. Hopped it about 200 times, always get it back. Reborn man. My home is on my back. I know every inch of the highway, every foot of the back road, mile of railroad track. Gus, when you play that Martin guitar, that was so nice, I'd like it twice. break it down for some bass. I was born in the Southland 27 years ago. Ran away for first time, only 4 years old, dream or man. My home is on my back. Yeah, I know every inch of the highway, every foot of the back road, mile of railroad track. Open up your window, it's a welcome summer breeze, blowing just enough to shake the branches on the old grove trees. That girl is like Linnea, she's got a name for